Well, this will be a quick rundown of the problems I'm having. Let's start off with this. On mess, I got the mess startup for QM2C2, and I got a package here to make it work. There it is. And my first big issue I have with mess is this right here. The problem is this. I got the module working. I got it all set up in this. I got all my devices. It's assembled in this. Shows all the things that are working. I'm pretty happy with Cube. I don't have any idea how to set up this. The MES UI 64. I don't know how to use devices. It doesn't make any sense to me. This one, at least I can figure out what to do here. I got options on this. I got a file chooser for my devices, and I got my cartridges. So this one makes a lot more sense. At least I figured out how to convert it by making check marks for what devices you want to support and what devices you don't want to support. So that makes sense. But anyways, in MES here, here's my problem. Let's say that I want to load a particular file. Like, see, right now I've got a disk in, let's say like 7, 1. For some odd reason, the file that it sees right now is this one right here, but it calls it a directory even though it's not a directory. If you go to the folder, whoops, it's under carts. It's actually a cart. Excuse me, it's a disk. Sorry, back up here. It's actually a disk, and it's a batch. It's my RSB batch file. And all I did was I tried to convert it into an RPK, and it looks like it worked, but no dice. So I tried the next step. I tried to go to the Java routine. Oops. I tried to use the, where's it at? The converter, the Java converter, the image tool. Oh, I remember now. It's at now. It's right here. It's with the MES, I think. The Java tool, I don't have it. Where'd it go? This one does work. The Chad, man, it doesn't do anything with that. See? It just flashes the screen. That's all that happens. So I have no idea what's going on there. I thought I had a copy of the image tool somewhere. I don't see it though. Maybe it's in my downloads. It might be in my downloads folder. Downloads. Oh, there it is. The image tool. There it is. So if I take the image tool and I'm looking at that file, open it, and there's my hard drive I created. I created a hard drive, and I get this error all the time on the image tool. It doesn't make any sense. It puts the file there, creates it, says it's a hard drive, but it says this negative seek_offset. What the hell that means? And if you go to the help, negative offset, what the hell does it mean? I mean, there's no way to figure out what it means. So that's one problem I have. The other one is when I go to the image tool to look at the device, like let's say I want to go back to the disks. Where's that disks? Like the batch, the one that it's got right here in MES right now, says it's a directory. It's actually this. It says it's a directory. Now, how's it a directory? I don't understand it. It's just a text file as the image. So I'm a little lacking in understanding what's going on here. And the manual for TM image tool does not explain what the hell is going on. It assumes that you already know or use the utility when they wrote it. So it's like writing a utility for somebody to use that's already used the utility. That doesn't make a lot of sense, but that's exactly what's happened. So I like the image tool. The only trouble is it doesn't explain what the hell is going on. No examples whatsoever. None. Not even one demo of anything. So it's horrible for being a good manual. It's a bad manual, and it's a good technic manual. But for anybody who wants to learn about the actual device or the image tool, it's horrible. All right, let's go here. So I got that up, and it won't see it. It tries to use it as a directory. So here's another one that's got a problem with. Let's say this is the keyboard I'm using right now. This is an Apple keyboard. I use it for Windows 7. I use it for Windows 8. I use it for everything. It works fine. I don't have an issue with it. Mess has a huge issue with it. So anyways, you hit this, and we got it enabled. So we hit the tab key, right? Say I want to go to the file manager, and I want to change this batch file out. And I want to change it to something else, like say, why has it got my, why am I in cartridges? Why is cartridge in there? I didn't put it in there. Anyways, okay, so let's go to this. I created this file. I also created these, a few of these others. So I'll use something I didn't create. I'll use, what do I got here that I didn't create? Funnel web. That came with the mess. When I got the mess, this one was here. So now the funnel web's there, right? And let's return. We'll escape. Let's turn this off. All right. Now let's go to 7.1, and it doesn't see the drive. That's the one I downloaded with mess, or I loaded it from the RPK package off of the white site. So, okay. And here's another one. Notice this. I can't go back. Here's the function 9 key. What is? Function 9 is right here. Look what happens. Nothing. Works fine in Classic. Win994A, all the other emulators works fine. Does not work in mess. Ignores it. You got me on what the hell's going on there. I mean, it just takes... I can't get back out. None of the keys